Hi children, we have already learned about the articles in our previous video. So let us complete the sentences with using of articles. Here are some sentences. Look at here. I saw dash boy running dash street. I saw a boy running the street. Because in this noun be is consonant. That's why we use a article. Another one. He is dash MPhil. In this noun M is consonant, but we use an article. Because before the courses or degrees we use an article. Dash horse runs fast. A horse runs fast. He can play upon the flute very well. I saw dash old man in that street. I saw an old man in the street. In this noun, wo is vowel. That's why we use an article. Another one. All boys were present. All the boys were present. Dash moon is shining in dash sky. We know already. Moon is unique thing. Before the unique things we use the article, definite article. The moon is shining in the sky. Man is a rational being. I have read dash Arabian Nights. The Arabian Nights. Look at here. Dan is dash English newspaper. In this noun, E is vowel. So we use an article. Dash whole milk was spilled. The whole milk was spilled. He is dash European. In this noun, E is vowel, but we use a article because we know already which word starts with AU or U. The sounds, the pronunciation, the sounds comes in consonant. Then we use a article. Dash higher you go, dash cooler it is. The higher you go, the cooler it is. We saw dash snake in dash grass. We saw the snake in the grass. Or we saw a snake or in the grass. Dash handle of this jug is durable. The handle of this jug is durable. He came here dash hour ago. In this noun, H is silent. That's why we use an article because O is vowel. Dash topic we are discussing is very interesting. The topic we are discussing is very interesting. I carry dash umbrella when it rains. I carry an umbrella. He is dash doctor. He is a doctor. Children, look at here. I saw dash man riding dash horse. I saw a man riding the horse. The man cuts some firewood with dash axe. With an axe. There is dash rainbow in dash sky. There is a rainbow in the sky. We can see dash airplane on dash runway. We can see an airplane on the runway. Put dash card in dash envelope. Put the card in an envelope. Dash rich old lady bought dash beautiful necklace. The rich old lady bought a beautiful necklace. Dash less you work, dash less you gain. The less you work, the less you gain. Children, look at here. Fill the small stories with suitable articles. Once there was dash farmer. We use a. Once there was a farmer. The farmer had a goose. Here it was a strange goose. Here a. The goose lays the golden egg every day. The farmer sold the golden eggs and became rich. But he was a greedy man. He wanted all the eggs at once. So he cut open the goose. But there is no golden eggs. And another one. Meena wanted to drink an orange juice. In this noun, wo is vowel. And she cut an orange and squeezed the juice into a glass. A glass. In the sense, a means one. And added a spoon of sugar. A. 1 spoon of sugar, that means. Then she put in an ice cube and drank the juice. Okay, children, please note the story with blanks and fill with articles. Keep the rules in your mind. Thank you.